Hi, this is John, and in this clip we will be installing the floor. Now that we have our base fully built and assembled and our floor the same, we're ready to go ahead and install that floor into our base. Now when we install this in, it should fit pretty snugly, and you might even have to get a hammer to help you get it in. Next, we're going to come in and just make a series of pilot holes and drill some screws all the way around our base. Again, there is going to be quite a bit of dirt in this, and dirt weighs quite a bit. If we ever want to move the planer, we don't want the bottom to fall out and the dirt to go everywhere. So we're going to make sure and put about one screw in every single board. Once we've got the base secured to the floor, we can go ahead and flip it over and see how it looks.